Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and joining us. And I am out here today. We are getting this area ready for Ron to pour concrete tomorrow. I'm not going to be here. I'll be at work, but it's only about 5 yards. He can pour this in his sleep. So we are getting this ready, getting this dirt up from here. And he's already got it leveled out. He'll put just a small form up tomorrow. And we'll see about getting this poured. There is a chance of rain, but it's before he's going to pour, which would be okay. And then late tomorrow evening. So as long as it sticks with that, we'll check it again in the morning. But we've got five yards on will call, and we'll get this poured tomorrow. So hang tight. Let me get this rock picked up, and I'll come back with you. I got a flat tire going on my tractor right now. Hey, good morning from Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. I am out here where we're going to hopefully get this poured today. It's been raining this morning, but the truck is supposed to be here about 10:30, and that's not supposed to rain again until 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. So it did rain this morning. It's okay this morning, but I really don't want it to rain this afternoon, but I'd sure like to get this poured today. So Ron and Ann are going to be pouring it. I've got to go to work, and we'll follow up whenever I get home. So here we go.
No mess, is it?
Nope.
Sent me some pig rock. Wheelbarrows. Get me out to the pig. lot of stuff in big rocks today. I don't see that on.
There we go. And the finishing touches. It's gonna rain tonight. Okay.
Putting it on the dolly. You know?
Say again?
Would that be work?
So I got back today and look at what they did. Poured concrete. So it looks really good. They ended up having to cover it up because it rained this afternoon, but the truck got here about 9:50 this morning, so they got it laid down pretty early, and then it started raining about 3 o'clock. So it's set up pretty good. Ron doesn't think it's going to hurt anything, but it looks real good. It's got a nice slope down there to where the water can get off of there. I just uncovered it. The sun's coming out. Hopefully it can dry, but looks real good. Turned out good. One other thing marked off on our 2026 list of stuff to get done, and this was a big one. This was one of the last big projects we had on our list to get done. And yeah, well, hopefully we're not starting any others. There's some other stuff that we want to do, but we're not gonna rush it. We're not gonna force ourselves to do anything that we don't feel like we have time for, or it's just gonna cause more stress. So we are really focused on minimizing and just lessening our stress level the next 11, 12 months, and make for an easy transition. So this was a big one marked off the list, and I'm super stoked about getting this off. So I think this is where we're gonna probably end this video, and I know Ann filmed some stuff for us today, and so I'm sure I got a lot of that before this. But anyway, just got home, got it uncovered, and it looks really good. Excited to get this marked off the list, and thank you all for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. Ann and I really do appreciate it, and take the time to hit the like button and share our videos. We'd sure like to get our subscriber count up, and we appreciate any help you can give us, and any suggestions. Make a comment down there too if you see something that you know you want to comment on. Make a comment. I try to respond to all comments that I get, so you'll hear back from me. And again, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. We'll catch you in the next video. Take care.